So join me as I style and condition this deep wave. Okay, the first thing you have to do before conditioning your deep wave is to make sure you comb it properly, just like I'm doing in the video. You have to make sure it's properly combed using your weave-on brush, the biggest size of weave-on brush, the one on my hand, as you can see. So after the combing, I've already mixed my leave-in conditioner and the stuffs I'm going to use for the hair. I'm definitely going to show you at the end of this video what I used to achieve these beautiful coils. Okay, first of all, I have to wet it with water. Don't mind the color of the container, but what is inside, the content is water. Just that there was a little conditioner on it before I put water inside. So this is actually just like water. It's basically water. You can see the other products there that I've not yet started using. I've not started using actually is the conditioner. I'm still going to use that one, but this is the place, this is the part where I condition. I wet the hair with just water, sorry, not condition. So after the conditioning, I'm going to make sure I comb it again, just like I'm doing. I'll condition it a little with water. I'll wet it with water. I'll comb it out. I'll wet it with water. I'll repeat the process until the hair is wet. After the wetting process is when I'll now start using my leave-in conditioner. Stay with me because we're not done. We're just starting. This is the beginning of the styling process. Anyways, I know I've already styled the front of the lace, which is the full frontal lace. I didn't put that part here, but I think in my next video I'll have to show you how I styled the glueless part, because this is actually a glueless wig. It's meant to be a glueless wig, yeah. So just like I said, I have to wet this hair very well, because you can't just condition a hair that is dry. I mean, the conditioner is not going to, the hair is not going to absorb the conditioner very well. I'm still wetting. This is still the wetting process. I know you might think I've conditioned it. Not yet. Using just water to condition your hair, your curly hairs, does not give it that silk. It just makes it beautiful in the eyes. But when you use leave-in conditioner, it brings out the silkiness. The texture becomes very soft. Okay, this is the part where I have to use the leave-in conditioner. As you can see, the hair is already very wet. It's already very wet. Then I've already mixed my leave-in conditioner. Like I said, I'm going to show you what I mixed, the combo in my container, my recipe. So guys, I'll show you what I mixed for this conditioning, but that will be at the end of the video. Guys, just stay on, like and subscribe. Thank you. We're not done. Okay, I'm conditioning the hair. As you can see, I'm using my spray can to wet the hair. Make sure the hair is very, very wet. Make sure it's very wet before you start conditioning. So get a spray can. This spray can is, I think, is one of the most stressful thing in buying hair kits. Oh god, I have 10 spray cans and all of them goes crazy anytime I want to make use of it. I think I've gotten one that doesn't go spoil easily, like the one on my hand. Okay, this is where I'm checking if the hair is very wet. I have to make sure I do not manage conditioner, leave-in conditioner while conditioning your hair. Make sure you apply it generously, I mean, and the texture of the product you mixed, your leave-in conditioner and maybe the coil and all. Though this part I didn't use coil for this one, I just used the foam wrap and the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to show you the particular brand of leave-in conditioner I used. It's actually very nice. And I'm now trying to smooth the top of the lace of the hair with my toothbrush after conditioning. Okay, this is actually a long video. Just stay on and watch to the end. You're going to learn one or two from this. So it's not actually a very difficult way to condition your hair. You just have to make sure you're using the right product. You're using the right stuffs you need for it. Okay guys, I'm combing. As you can see, I'm trying to make sure that I comb it very well. You have to make sure it doesn't have strands. Meanwhile, I prefer using this big weave-on brush for my deep wave. Then when I want to style my busy coils, I prefer using the other tinier, which is also called the octopus brush. Okay, so I have to make sure I comb it repeatedly. The process of combing is not just detangling the hair, it's also making the conditioner making the hair absorb the conditioner very well. So if you see me combing repeatedly, I'm not just combing because I feel like combing or making the video longer. No, I'm trying to allow the hair absorb the product I've used on it. Yes, combing is therapeutic. Yes, it's not just combing. It's beyond the combing you're seeing. I'm doing this repeatedly because I want to. This is a new hair and it has not been worn, so it needs enough conditioner to make it, very fine, silky and all. So this is a letter body. Though the camera did not really do justice to the letter body, I didn't really show it very well. So I wanted to make a video of it, but then it was not really showing. So I said at the end of the video, I'm going to drop a picture, a short video of what I used to achieve these beautiful coils. Okay, guys, keep on. Just like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos of this nature. Thank you for watching. Thank you. You're going to see the two products on the video. I'm going to show you the two products I used. Now, I didn't actually show you how I mixed it, and it's not actually hard, but just make sure you pour in your leave-in conditioner, the brown one, into a container. Put a little drop of, just put few drops of water. Mix it very well. Then when it's properly mixed, you can now increase the quantity of water, but make sure it's thick. If it's watery, it's not going to make your coils come out very well. Okay, as you can see, here are the two stuffs I used. I didn't use coil a lot this time around, but these two stuffs are going to give you the best.